name's Brooke with WTI. I'm here to show you this waterproof backpacking tarp. It's by TRIWONDER. This is so wonderful, and the reason being is because it's a ½ pound. It fits so nicely into your backpack, so when you get to your campground, you hike in, the last thing you need to do is fuss with a heavy-duty tarp. So this is what I love about this tarp, is that it's not heavy, but it's also providing that protection. It's durable and it protects your tent at the very bottom. And I like the color as well. And the super cool thing about this tarp is not only is it waterproof, versatile for you to use, it's important to have a tarp when you're camping, especially if you're backpacking, you need to protect yourself. But it comes with a really nice bonus surprise, which is this great case. So you just put it in this case here and throw it in your bag, and you're not gonna fuss. Just throw it in your backpack. Not gonna add so much weight to you. And voila, check this out. This is wonderful. So I'd like to recommend this tarp, and I think it's an awesome product to have, especially if you're a backpacker and you need a tarp. You need to keep your tent protected on the bottom, insulated, and waterproof from the dew that happens in the morning. So that's my point of view.